Build-Off contenders. These are the finalists. Well, this is the DDO segment. Bring a bike to the festival kind of segment. Amazing response, lots of entries. Over 100 entries were received. We shortlisted 20, out of which we will be looking only at the 3 finalists who will ride up with their creations right here on the main stage. And I'd like to request Mr. Ravi Avalur to kindly stay here and welcome the bikers as they ride up here. And now, on stage is... And before the bikers come on stage, I'd like to ask you to please guide your attention to this wonderful little showcase. This is the Biker Build-Off competition, none like you've seen before, right here at IBW 2023.
It looks as good in real as it does in the head. इतना challenges तो आएंगे क्योंकि हमारे हाथ में पहली बार आया. I've seen things like this happen before, but with Harley-Davidson, it's going to be different.
That's my husband.
A lot of time. Every part has to be this way. Whatever is here, IBW.
Alright, there you have it. The ultimate biker build-off right here at India Bike Week 2023. And I'd like to introduce on stage the first finalist. This is Devashish from Ricochet, bringing on his wonderful Harley-Davidson 440 build. This looks really interesting. A lot of interesting things gone into making this motorcycle happen.
He has made it like a dirt bike, you know.
Alright.
That's why he is having this and everything.
How does it feel to be back on stage with a Harley-Davidson this time and an X440?
It's amazing. We had so much fun building this bike. So we had a lot of crazy ideas when we were trying to do this. So I wanted to use a lot of weight on this bike because it is already the lightest Harley-Davidson in the world. And so I wanted to make it even lighter, and we've lost about 40 kgs on this bike. So the whole chassis that you see here is made in stainless steel. It's all handmade. From front to back, there's not one single part on the chassis that comes from the stock bike. We only use the engine, we only use the wiring and part of the tank from the stock bike. That's that. And then it's got about 280 mm of ground clearance. And so the point of this was to build a one-year triangle. So we tried to use as much weight as we can. We really increase the ground clearance. We got adjustable suspension front and back. And they got travel of 7 inches on them. And
oh, that's a lot of things to take in one motorcycle. You guys have really gone to town with this wonderful custom build. We have our judges who are going to be judging you and finding out whether you've got the chops to take home this big competition prize. And next up is Aditya Raj from AD Customs with his version of the 440X. The X440, sorry. And here is Aditya Raj getting on top stage with his motorcycle.
yeah. Maybe we'll put it here.
Yeah. We'll
Next to each other like that.
actually 1 minute. You need some help with yeah. Can we have somebody come up and help him get the bike on the side?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Well, like I said, this is the custom bike build competition that Harley-Davidson kicked off, chose about, well, actually there were 100 entries. Out of the 100 entries, they shortlisted 20, and these are the 3 finalists who brought their take on the Harley-Davidson X440. This is lovely. You're back again. How does it feel, Aditya? And what do you think about this motorcycle? It looks very nimble. It looks like a lot of fun, and you've given it a very interesting twist.
First of all, I would like to thank IBW for giving us this opportunity. And basically, the concept was to build it from a firefly. You can check the eyes in front and wings and the tail. So basically, the concept was to how to really transform the bike to firefly.
It's looking absolutely wonderful. We can't wait to hear it, but when you get it started up, we're going to come and check you out. These bikes are going to be on display for you guys to go and check out. Like I said, Harley-Davidson had a really tough time shortlisting who's going to be here on the main stage at the final IBW arena. And this here is Aditya Raj's take on the X440, which is this very cool motorcycle, which is pretty much like an open canvas for any kind of mod ideas you have. Next up is Ricardo Pereira. Aditya, I'd like to request you to kindly move your motorcycle here, as we are welcoming another finalist of the Biker Build-Off competition, supported by none other than Harley-Davidson. This is Ricardo Pereira from Bulleteer Customs, riding up on his motorcycle. Ricardo, I haven't seen the saddle seat versions in a long time. It's really cool that you put this one together. So tell us a bit about the build. Tell us a bit about the
आगे
bike.
एकदम स्टेज के पास चिपक
And
के
what do you
बुलेट
think about
टीयर्स
the
कस्टम्स
440?
वगैरह जो चल रहा है उसमें
First of all, I would love to say that
बोलो बोलो क्या कह रहे हो
this is something that I've never done before. I've never been to IBW.
आ जाओ यहाँ पे आगे कस्टम बाइक्स देखनी है तो
Of the year, and thank you guys for having me over. Wow. Looking good, man. Well, yeah, when I got the bike, the only thing I wanted to do is give it a little more Harley-ness. I wanted to make it a little more vintage, you know, like turbo cam. Talking to you guys. But the moment I rode this bike, and she didn't want to be any lazy, vintage turbo. I mean, for sure, this was a fast one. And I think that's when the bike asked me if she could be captain.
Bro, you taking different cinematics, I'm taking a normal steady footage. Maybe we can exchange data as well, so it can be benefit for both of us.
Because that's something that we love doing. And we want to make this bike something that the company would be proud of.
Like whatever you shoot, I
Like
do.
it
I
should look like a
do.
drone of an assembly line, and I hope that we've achieved that. And I'm loving it.
Well, Ricardo,
In this?
your
Yeah, there is a
creation
mic.
looks absolutely stunning. I love the lines. It kind of it has that lovely streamline effect, which once you get in position, you have the helmet on. I think it'll be like a delight to ride. Okay, these are our 3 finalists. Devashish from Ricochet, Devashish from Ricochet, Devashish from Ricochet, Aditya Raj from 80 Customs, and Ricardo Pereira from Bulleteer Customs with their version and take of the Harley-Davidson X440, a stunning motorcycle that you can pretty much create all those motorcycle dreams
we can make
that you had in your mind and then add a motorcycle to do it. And now I'd like to introduce you to the jury who had a tough time shortlisting these 3 motorcycles from over 100 motorcycle custom builders who put in their applications and designs, and then they shortlisted 20, and from those 20,
it's a bit
they
fat.
gave these
The
3
tire
guys
size
a motorcycle to put together, and
190.
this is their
190.
version of the Harley-Davidson X440. I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Ravi Oler, already here from Harley-Davidson, and I'd like to call upon Mr. Harsh Mandrai. He is a seasoned media professional, and he has worked for over 40 years with top magazines like India Today, Business India, Sports Week, Outlook, Traveler, and Lonely Planet, to just name a few. The list goes on and on and on, but we have to be here for another year just to list out all the publications we work with. Harsh, how does it feel like to be here at IBW judging these wonderful creations?
I think it's a wonderful opportunity for them modified bike with
Once they get out of the stage, maybe yes.
is there any location that is gathered to the bike?
Lovely.
Maybe they will have their,
and I would like to call on our third judge.
like
who's part of the
stores,
jury.
small
You
stores,
already
all
met
there.
him, you already
Maybe we
spoke
can
to
make a
him.
video.
I'd like
Yeah,
to invite
maybe.
back on
Rolling about
stage
there.
Anand Harbaraj, a legendary motorcyclist, and he's got a motorcycling school, he's got a motorcycling workshop, and he's a racer. Okay, everybody's talking about
You have
Harley-Davidson
NFC in your phone?
X440 and
NFC
how
NFC
malleable
feature?
it is, and how
Near me,
wonderful
sir.
a canvas
Yeah,
it can
NFC.
be
So you can
to
tap and
create
grab my
something
details
special.
over there.
What are
Then
your
after
thoughts?
then we can share the
I
content.
think there's proof in the pudding, as they say, from when we started off. with
like
this
Wi-Fi
whole
and hotspot.
operation, we call it. I can see
There must be written, yeah, this NFC.
Standing here. And I think that's testimony to what it can be done.
Just a moment. Yeah,
You guys have a
yeah
tough
it's
job.
turned on.
Ravi,
Okay.
You have a really tough
Now
job.
just open
One
your
is,
screen.
It's
Okay.
your bike, and you love them all, I know. But you've got to choose a winner. So, what are the things you're looking to judge these motorcycles on? And
Refresh it, no worries.
How difficult was it to shortlist these final builders?
So you have a page or
I think the first thing we look at, because they're all starting from a really good starting point,
Sorry?
is the creativity and innovation that they put
So like
into the
you
idea.
open this page, you get every detail of mine, you get my WhatsApp number, Instagram. Yeah, there must be internet issues.
And third, perhaps at the back of my mind, is always the question of practicality. Yeah? So if form follows function or the other way around, yeah, we'll find out.
And was it difficult shortlisting these gentlemen? Because you had 100 entries, and finally went down to
Network
20,
issues.
and now you have these ones.
No worries.
And
That's already
Harley-Davidson is
open.
now really,
And what else you can do is you can, take the QR code.
Concept with this platform.
Take a photo.
The idea with the X440 was to give people a blank canvas, a platform for customization. I think this bike really lends itself well to customization.
Take a photo.
It was very, very difficult.
This is
to
also
choose
my
from
WhatsApp
amongst
number,
the
and you also got the
20
QR.
entries, one better than the other. But clearly a few stood out, and you see those well.
We're loving all the
videos
creations
and
that we saw
document.
here today.
Yeah,
Gentlemen,
just
best of luck.
no,
May
not
the
on
best
document.
man win.
Send
May
me
the
a
best
link
man
when you
win.
upload
And
on
I'm
Drive,
sure
or else we
our
can share on
guys
Toffee Share.
already
So that will be like
already have made
pure
their minds
same
up,
good
but
quality.
they're kind of like,
You have a
they're
YouTube
like,
channel?
Actually, I have an Instagram page.
Okay.
So they also
my page.
so they're
I have
all
a friend.
motorcycles. A big round of applause.
Ah, you got nice
for
followers.
Our judges. Our
Actually, I review motorcycles. I never do these things. But because our channel is new, so I thought IBW maybe will provide us a good
Thank you very
opportunity.
much
Oh,
for
definitely
being
I will
part of
do
this
anything for it.
amazing.
Actually, we are trying to make quality content for, enthusiastic audience. We take cinematics, we take dialogue deliveries, just like Power Drift or Saga
Drone
Shielding.
shot, my friend drone. He already on my shot. I will be sharing. Please,
Really cool motorcycling tricks.
I have also took like entry footages and walk arounds and stuff. I will also send you the same.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ahmedabad, bro. Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
I'm from Kerala, South India.
I know. We had conversations, so I thought we can.
A lot of exciting motorcycles here on display. Stick around, lots happening here at the main stage, and we'll be back with more exciting stuff. IBW 2023. Thank you, Harley-Davidson, for making this a special one. You want to give a last word to all the lovely people here?
Well, first of all, thank you for making it here and watching this lovely custom build.
I was proudly working with BMW Motorrad.
Ideas have gone into these bikes. So thanks, and see you all soon.
Alright, big times here at IBW 2023. Like we said, this is the 10th anniversary edition. 10 times bigger, 10 times grander. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very much. Yeah, and I request the contenders to kindly rise.